Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my completed pages, well, lack thereof, for January. However, there's actually a story behind this. So I'll start with the one that a few of you probably know about because I streamed this on Sunday. But this is my first page started in the new book from Hannah Carlson, Tales from Atlantis. I did this part on a live stream. And I'm going to keep working on it on camera, I've decided. It's just been a crazy week. And so, yeah, I started this with Prismacolor. It's coming along quite well, I think. And I'm going to be doing this in gold. And then bright colors on top, I think. I go back and forth. All right. Let's save that one for a second. Okay. Also on Hannah Carlson. I guess I was feeling Hannah Carlson. I started a whip, but I didn't finish it. Well, that's the definition of a whip, isn't it? Okay, so it's this page here. And this one I just took a break from because I had other things to work on. But I am actually going to be trying something where I make her... I don't know how to phrase it. I don't want to say not cartoonish, but not as simple. I'm going to go for a little bit more realistic look, even with the hair. So it's going to take me a little longer. I've got most of this skin done. I will be doing more after I color a few more elements and then kind of decide about contouring and whatnot. But yeah, I had started this one. So this will be fun. I haven't decided what color I want to do her hair. That's kind of holding me up a bit. I did think, because it kind of looks, to me, almost like little space buns, right? Her space buns have like these flowers. And I was thinking of maybe doing like the pink hair, because there is a tag for February, pink hair, pink lips by Nirma Coloring. But then I was like, oh, you know what? It would be fun to do it just in a nice chocolatey brown color, to give a nice backdrop for these flowers. So yeah, that's what I'm on the fence for that one. Okay, in Luna, this is sort of complete, but a few things are missing, so not, I guess. Scratch that, it's not sorta. I forgot. Okay, so if you don't know, when I got Luna, I loved the cover. So I decided I was going to color every page using this color scheme, which is actually very limiting when you actually, get into it. Because you got pinks, blue violets, violet, purple, you can kind of stray a little bit, but not much. So a lot of the pages I'm doing, every page will be that kind of color scheme. I used my Brute Furnish squares, which I thought I loved, but using them on this picture made me question that, so I was having a bad day. But I'm going to do gold for the bugs. I still need to do her skin. And then the background, I was going to do a light pink with gold flecks on top of it, I think. So I just have to finish that one up. Oh, talk about starting the year off right with nothing but whips. Okay, but here is the real reason I have a ton of whips. I decided to go through my Enchanted Faces, the big version, and just start doing tons of Hannah Lynn hair combos. And the reason I say Hannah Lynn combos is these are combos I would use for Hannah Lynn hair, but not necessarily hair on anything else. And I've been writing them down. So that's why I call it Hannah Lynn hair combos. I've been writing them all down. And then I have been doing shorts, I did some shorts on my YouTube. However, shorts, I was getting a lot of really mean comments on them. So I just decided, you know what, I'm not going to do the shorts. So they are now reels on my Instagram. So you'll still see the ones that I did put up, but I stopped about halfway through and the rest are just on Instagram. And honestly, that's because I just don't feel like having to go in and remove nasty, unnecessarily rude comments. But let's go through and I'll show you what I've done. So There is a short for this one, I think. If not, there's definitely a reel. There's always definitely a reel. Short, I'm not sure. So I had done this one here. I kind of just went in order, by the way. So, except for one that's mixed in here that I had colored before. So I worked on this one. And what prompted this was I was in the mood to color Hannah Lynn hair because I find it very relaxing. It's a different way I color hair than other hair. You've seen the hair tutorials on my channel. I do these a lot differently. And these are with Prismacolor, which I typically don't use for hair ever, except in Hannah Lynn. And I colored one page with hair, and I was so relaxed that I was like, you know what? I'm just going to color Hannah Lynn hair all month and not even care that I'm making like 30-something whips. And that's what started it. And honestly, I have never felt more relieved and relaxed and totally content with the fact that I didn't finish a page. I don't care. So I recommend doing that. If there's like, you got an itch to just color one thing, just do it. Just don't care. It's been amazing. All right, so we have another one here. And I do kind of think about the page when I make these hair combos. I'll sit there and go, okay, what color am I picturing for the rest of this? Because I don't want to pick a hair where I'm like, oh crap, now I can't finish this page because the hair doesn't look right. This one here I did a little bit more realistic, but not completely, because I like coloring Hannah Lynn hair for the cartoon look. I don't want to sit there and flick hair for days. This one was actually really fun. This fiery red thing going on. Like I said, I was going in order for a little bit there. I just did a simple blondie here. Did this one. Actually, I like that one a lot. This is one I've already done, so she's kind of in the middle. Here's another one. Now some will be like similar pink and purple, but the color combos aren't the same. Okay, some of these I skipped because I was like, oh, I'm just not feeling that one right now. Do you know there's a reel for this one? So just go to my Instagram. That one. That was a fun one too. This one I don't really like how it turned out, but I might go back in with some blue or something. I don't know. I've got this one. It looks really dark on camera, but there's little pops of color. I did this one using the same combo I did on the other one where I flicked it, only this time I just colored it in. I love Hannah Lynn hair. This one was pretty fun, actually. It was a wacky combo. Oh yeah, it's right here. Black cherry, blue violet lake, blue slate, grade lavender. I was legit just grabbing colors and being like, I think I can make these work. The jump from black cherry to blue violet lake is quite a leap. So this one was fun too. I started this one and then I didn't finish it. I need to go back and finish that one. But I've got the combos written down. Got this one here. And like I said, you'll see similar colors, but it doesn't mean the combo is exactly the same. I made sure to not repeat a single combo. So something somewhere has been swapped out and just goes to show the variety. Oh, I liked this one. This one was, yeah, 5 colors. 5 colors in here. This one was fun. It's got purples and blues. Got this one as well. I should color this one for this month. It's very Valentine's-ish. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't super happy with how this one turned out. I was trying something with my peacock green, and yeah, this one, I don't know what was going through my mind. I was trying. Okay, the colors are dioxazine violet, mulberry, neon pink, and deco yellow. And neon pink into deco yellow with a mix of mulberry can create a brown if you're not careful. I actually had to erase a couple times because I made brown. But it actually looks kind of cool. It's weird. I don't know. This is my favorite one right here. I called it Aurora Borealis hair or galaxy hair. So it's black, dioxazine violet, Parma violet, and then PC 920, which crap, I can't think of what that is right now. I can always remember the numbers. There is a reel for this one. But yeah, I like the way this one turned out. And I already have plans for this one. I'm working on this one right now. It's coming along, I guess. There are some more. As I know, I went towards the back of the book for a little bit. So we got this lovely blue one here, but it's blue that comes into a light pink. It's kind of fun. Let's see if there's any more. I know I had skipped ahead because I was like, well, if I'm not feeling it, I'm not going to force it. Oh yeah, that one. I liked the way this one came out. This one is an interesting combo. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Black raspberry, mahogany, pink rose, deco pink, and a little bit of cream. But when you jump from mahogany to pink rose, you have to be really careful. So it was a hard one to blend at times, but I like the way it turned out in the end. Do I have any in between there? Then I made this insanely red color. Because what I do is I sit down and I just put the colors down, right? But really, doing this does not tell you how it's going to translate on paper. Like, this is the combo here, and then that's what I got. So, always keep that in mind. How you put it down is just as important as what you're putting down. So yeah, that one turned out way brighter than I planned. I am debating on this one. I've colored this in the mini book and twice now. Yeah, on both books. I love this one, by the way. This is actually, fun fact, one of my favorite hair ones from Hannah Lynn, because I just want to color the hair all the time in this one, so that's why I'm leaving it. I'm either going to do a purple or maybe even a black into purple into blue. I don't know. I'm waiting on it. But I think that's it. So, I'm still working on this. I'm still sharing the reels, but I have quite a few combos. And like I said, I try not to repeat the same colors. I mean, there will be some that have similar colors, but the exact same combo is not repeated. I change it up. So, like this one, for example, processed red, hot pink, deco pink, and cream, pomegranate, processed red, pink, and deco peach. They both have the pink thing going on, but different. This is one that would actually be a good, yeah, so all I swapped on this one was deco pink instead of deco peach, but wanted to try it out. But yeah, I made sure I didn't repeat anything very like specifically, so that you could kind of rotate your colors, or if you only have a 72 count set and you don't have all of them, but also just to give you variety. My favorite color to color Hannah Lynn pictures in is purple and pink hair. I just deviate that way. But yeah, I'm still working on it. I've got lots more to go. So we'll see once I finish this, but this is a little project I've been doing. And then once I finish all of them, I'll share the combinations in a separate video. And I will be taking my chicken scratch notes because this is going to start getting messy here soon. And I'll put them probably into a chart and just call it like Hannah Lynn hair combos, or I don't know, cartoon hair combos, something. It's because it's not realistic combos I would use. And let me explain why. If I was, say, to use this combo, black, dark purple, mulberry, processed red, and pink with Prismacolor first, I'm not a fan of flicking Prismacolor into hair, but if I did, this wouldn't have the right undertones and highlight color to pull off the color that I would get using this combo and this style of coloring. So just keep that in mind. If you're curious how I color Hannah Lynn hair, there is a video for that on my channel. I will try to remember to link it in the description below, but you guys know how good I am at that. But I do have a video showing the way I color Hannah Lynn hair, because it's not like the other hair that I typically color. So yeah, I guess that is my month. I did not complete a single page, but I have a lot of whips, and I'm happy about it. I'm totally fine with it. In fact, embrace the whips. So yeah, that is my lesson, I guess, because I believe at the end of my December pages, I said my lesson for the week was like, or month, was getting some me time. Well, the lesson this month is, if you feel like coloring just one element, just do it. Who cares? Maybe next month all I'll color is leaves. I don't care. If it brings me relaxation and it still gives me an opportunity to teach you guys or share something, I'm happy. And the rest, I don't care. I mean, I'll get to these eventually. It's not like you're going to sit there forever. But yeah, that is it for today. I hope you all had a wonderful January. Here we are in February, a leap year too. We get an extra day, woo! That's how I look at it. An extra day to color and relax, because that's what I'm doing with it. But I hope you all have a wonderful month. Let me know what projects you're working on, and until next time, take care. Bye now.